Local news for Tuesday, the 28th of July. Dog registrations across the district are due by the end of the month. In Masterton alone, there are 3,600 registered dog owners and 6,000 registered dogs. Last year, 373 owners had to pay 50% extra in fees because of late payment. Environmental Services Manager Terry Mulligan says the money we get from dog registrations pays for our animal services work, including running the pound and enabling us to reconnect lost dogs with their owners. Green Party co-leader James Shaw will be in the region tomorrow, speaking at the Copthorne Hotel. He'll talk about carbon, forestry and climate action, with the speaking engagement set to get underway at 7:30pm. New Zealand First Wairarapa List MP and Minister of Defence and Veteran Affairs Ron Mark has approved a one-off grant of $2.53 million to be made to the Royal New Zealand Returned and Services Association. The RSA is New Zealand's largest veterans charity and has over 102,000 members. And finally in sport and hockey, the Dalford men picked up a 2-0 win over Harbour City at the weekend, the women winning 3-0. And in football, the Wairarapa United women beat Seatoun 7-1, while the men drew 1-1 with Napier City Rovers. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.